If it's taking longer than 15 minutes to remove your dip nail powder, same, okay? Same. I was in the same boat until I learned this one trick that was an absolute game changer, all right? Why am I recording this video in a moving vehicle? Great question. I would love to tell you, because this information cannot wait until I have a beautifully crafted video, okay? So let's get into it. The one thing that you need that you are currently not doing, heat. I know, it's heat, okay? And I don't know the science behind it, but it works, all right? So, biggest tip, step one, you gotta file off that top coat. The top coat is the literal, like, that is what protects your manicure. Duh! So if you're trying to soak off a manicure without getting that top coat off, filing it off, guess what, guys? It's doing its job. Okay, it's protecting your manicure with all of its little heart. Okay? So you need to take a file and file off as much of that product first as you can, okay? That prep work will make your soak off go faster. Secondly, take you a microwave safe, I guess you could boil water on the stove, but who's got time for that? Okay, take a microwave safe bowl, add just a little bit of water, guys. It doesn't take much, just a little bit, like maybe that much. Microwave it. Be careful, you want it hot. You want it hot. Don't burn yourself. If you burn yourself, do not come at me. Do this at your own risk. For reference, I do mine around a minute and a half, and yeah, it's like boiling and it's super hot, and because I'm impatient. Heat up your water, then carefully remove your bowl from the microwave, and then get a Ziploc bag, some sort of zippy bag, and get a paper towel, put in your bag, soak the bag with some acetone, 100% pure acetone. Hot tip, before you stick your hand in that bag, coat your hand. I use like coconut oil just because I ran out of my cuticle oil, but like you can use shea butter, you can use like something, olive oil, I don't know. Coat your hand and your cuticles. That's going to help protect from the acetone of drying your skin out. Okay, I digress. Back to the soak off. You will put your hand in that bag and then carefully put your hand in bag soak with acetone, paper towel, and submerge into that hot blankety blank water. Be careful. It is hot. I don't know how it happens or what, but like that acetone will literally boil. I don't know. Ask a scientist. While you've got your hand in there, be doing this, like with the paper towel. Cause some friction. Get around all those nails. And I promise you, if you do this, all of that dip powder will be gone in under 10 minutes. Possibly even like 5 minutes if you've done a good enough job removing the product, your top coats and stuff beforehand. I would love to know if you try this trick. I promise you, I've done it like over and over and over. It works. It used to take me forever to soak off. I did the foils, I did all the things, and like I don't know about you, but I dreaded soak off. To be fair, I still do. You can do this. And I would love to know if you found this helpful. If you did, please subscribe and please let me know. Please comment and let me know, hey, this was really helpful. Would love a detailed version with like some visuals and stuff. I would really, really appreciate the feedback. So thanks so much. Okay, love you, bye.